So in today's video, I'm going to share my Diwali look using all affordable products, mostly under 1000 rupees. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So let's start with skincare first. I'm using rose water on my face. I have already washed my face. Next, I'm using the Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. You can definitely skip this step, but I like to use this serum. This makes my skin really soft and supple. And while we are hydrating our skin, let's not forget our lips. I'm using this lip balm from Eba. And I'm going to do my eyebrows off screen because I think everybody has a different way to do the eyebrows. Next, I'm going to even out and create a base for my eyeshadow using this concealer. And the concealer I'm using is from Oriflame. I'll link all the products used in the video in the description, so you can check the description for more product details. And now I'm just blending the concealer in using a fluffy brush, and this is to create a clean canvas for your eye makeup. To do my eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Focallure Sunrise palette. I love this palette and especially these two shades. Firstly, I'm going to dip into Himalayan Orange shade and I'm going to be using it as my transition shade. I'm taking really less product on my brush. I'm gradually increasing the intensity of the color, and now I'm using the color Tenderly Light on Himalayan Orange, and I think both of the shades look really pretty together. I want my eyeshadow to look really seamless and soft. That's why I'm blending it so much. And to deepen this further, I'm going to be using the shade Latte Please and Give Me Mocha on the outer V of my lid. Before we cut the crease, I like to remove the makeup from that area, and you will see how I do it. I use a Q-tip and lightly get rid of all the makeup from that area. And it is completely fine if you are not so precise in this step, because further we are going to cut the crease and conceal, so that's fine if you are not so precise in this step. And this eyeshadow palette also has a concealer in it. How amazing is that? So I'm going to use that and cut my crease using a flat brush. You guys keep asking me about the brushes I use. These ones are from Morphe. I'll link them down in the description, so if you want to check them out, you can. So cutting the crease does take a little bit of practice, but using a magnifying glass really does help in this. And now I'm going to use my index finger and blend the edges of the concealer. And next I'm going to use some powder and set the concealer in place. You can use any kind of powder to do this. And now to bring everything back together, I am going to use the shade Give Me Mocha again, and I'm going to create this ombre kind of an effect using the same fluffy brush. And to deepen it further, I'm going to again use the shade Latte Please, and I'm going to only place it on the outer corners of my eyes. And now taking a nice clean brush, I'm going to blend everything together. Moving on, we are doing a winged liner. Now this step is completely optional. You can do a winged liner, or if you prefer to do a normal liner, you can do that. Or if you prefer not to do a liner, you can just tightline your eyes and finish this look with a pair of false lashes and you will be good. And now curling my eyelashes, this step is really important according to me. This makes such a huge difference. And for the mascara, I'm going to be using this combo of Sugar and Seri Cosmetics. So for the first coat, I'm using the Sugar mascara, and I think it is great for lengthening and separating the lashes. And the Seri mascara is great to add volume to your lashes. Now for the false lashes, I have just chopped off my normal lashes from the sides, and I'm only going to use the sides of it. And now I'm using the same eyeshadow shade on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to use a white kohl pencil on my waterline, and with this we are done with our one eye. And now I'm going to do the same steps on the other eye and be right back. So we are done with both the eyes, and to highlight my eyebrow bones and inner corners, I am using the shade Champagne from the same palette. And now finally coming to the base makeup, I am using this peach corrector from Oriflame. This really helps to color correct my skin tone and also moisturizes my skin. You can also use an orange corrector if you have really dark circles or pigmentation. I like to blend it with my fingers first and then go in with the beauty blender. So as today I'm looking out for a long lasting base, I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 matte primer plus foundation. So this one has a medium coverage and gives a really natural skin finish, and it dries out completely matte, so it is great for oily skin people. And to apply it, I'm using a damp beauty sponge by Forever 21. And now to give my face some structure, I'm going to be using this contour stick from Sugar in the shade Fawn first. And I take some of the product on my fingers and use it to contour my nose like that. And I blend it in using the same beauty sponge. And now taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, I am going to bake under my eyes. And I'm going to set the rest of my face using a powder brush. And now taking the combination of Sugar and Seri again, but this time in lipstick, I am going to take the shade Tan Helen from the Matte Attack lipstick range, and I am going to just outline my lips using that. And now using a lip liner brush, I am just blending it in and creating more precise lip line. And now using the shade Mad Mauve from Seri Cosmetics, I am going to fill it in my lips. It is such a pretty shade, as you guys can see. It is a really beautiful shade. And now I'm just going to lightly dust off all the excess powder from my under eyes. And now to highlight, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics highlighter. I am applying it on the high points of my cheeks, and I'm going to use it on my nose and chin. And with this we are done with our makeup. I feel this look is really modern and stylish, and it will look really great on Diwali. And I'll finish it off with a tiny bindi on my forehead. I really enjoyed creating this look for you all. I hope you guys liked it too. So thank you so much for watching it till here, and if you liked it, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button and commenting down below how you like the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy Diwali. Bye.